In about 2 minutes, we're literally gonna start gutting this car out from the inside out. Anything that we can get our hands on, we're gonna rip it out, literally, like in 1 minute now. So yeah, stay tuned as we start to rebuild this car from the inside out. Why? I don't know. This seemed like a great idea at the time. We're gonna be taking out the seats, we're gonna be taking out the consoles, center console, dashboard, cluster, steering wheel, anything that we can get our hands on, we're gonna rip it out. We're gonna be repainting panels, we're gonna be putting the new seats in. The sound detonating mat in the bottom is cracked up, we're gonna be replacing it. Everything is gonna be looking brand new. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, bam, let's go. Now, of course, we're gonna be starting this car without jeopardizing anything that's worth saving. But of course, never forgetting that there were so many rats in here, roaches in here, you just don't know. And of course, it's right to only use your PPE. I'm using some masks that I found in the back of the car. I'm gonna use that, and some gloves that I found in the glove box. So yeah, let's jump into it. I'm burning. The bad boy came out. If you guys are looking for a seat, this thing's gonna be at the corner of peace and junk, right there at the corner. Come pick it up. Yeet. All right. So far, so good. I don't see any rust yet, so that's really good. There goes 2. Original color, beat down piece of crap color. And to come out. Peace and junk, right in the intersection. Now let's go ahead and tackle the center console. Somebody already helped us out by not putting the screw back in. How thoughtful. Oh. Sweet. Taking off this OEM shifter. Good thing I figured that out, because sometimes I'll be rushing and breaking stuff. So I found some rotors. Looks to be the front and back. Set these bad boys outside. Woo! This is radio number 3. It just came out. Here, 4 plugs. Oh! Uh-oh. This thing seized under. All right, so I got my vacuum out. We're about to pick up all these nasty dirt particles, rat poop, roach poop, any kind of poop. I thought I saw some human poop in the back, so this thing is good for everything. Let's go, let's jump into it. Let's get some cleaning done. All right, now that we've finished vacuuming, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove the rest of the plastic panels on the car and make sure that we have all of them off so that we can go ahead and restore them. So let's remove it. Now, I wanna bring up a topic. I've gotten a lot of messages of people saying to eliminate the sunroof. I don't know, I kinda like it. What do you guys think? What? This rearview mirror is all beat up, dusty, crusty, and busty. Yeah, you can tell it's pretty well. If you guys have a 86 Corolla, GTS, or SR5 rearview mirror that you guys want to donate to this channel, I'm gonna let everybody know who did it. So we would appreciate it in advance. So rear mirror, let me know. All right, so most of the plastic pieces on this car are removed, and I think we can maybe find some time to go ahead and start prepping them, scuffing them up so that the paint can stick, and man, they're gonna look amazing. So let's continue to advance on this project. Let's go. All right, just like that, in my hand, I got all the plastic pieces that we're gonna need. Now, they're all scraped up, they're all discolored. Some are light gray, as you can see from the sun just hitting it. So we're gonna go ahead and scruff these up, and we're gonna bring them back to life, guaranteed, or your money back. And get out of here with your money back. All right, guys, so after we finish vacuuming the whole inside, cleaning it out, gutting it out, now we're gonna go ahead and back it up, but I brought in some big guns. Who better to bring in than the boy Moses? Let's go. So we're gonna back it up in the driveway, wash it up, and get it really detailed inside so that we can start laying down the foundation to the car and work from the inside out. Let's go.
Hey, your brakes are working?
Yeah, it should be working, bro.
Let's go.
Ae86!
Wait, hold on. It's not. It's not, bro. It's not.
Bro. What the heck was that?
Bro, I swear, bro, I was pulling this thing. It wasn't going.
All right, let's get some water in here. We're about to get some water in here and start washing this bad boy up. Let's go. This thing's dirty. Woo. All right, guys, and just like that, things got real crazy, real hectic, real fast, as you saw. But what we were able to do is we were finally able to gut the whole inside, vacuum it, clean the plastic panels. It was a headache. One arm's bigger than the other from how swollen it is. Man, it got real, but it's looking good. Like I said, we're gonna continue gutting out the inside, cleaning it up, and we're gonna be painting and retouching up the panels. It's gonna look great. We're working from the inside out. Come on, Craig, tell them how dirty it was.
It had dirt in there from 1986. That thing was dirty.
Dirty, he said. So how were we able to get it out, Craig?
With a water hose, little scrubbing, little elbow grease.
That's all it takes. So a little elbow grease goes a long way, guys. Don't cut corners or you're gonna be like this Corolla. If you haven't gone and check out our channel, go check it out. We have another Celica project that we're also working on, and it is great. We're about to get it cranked up soon. So guys, if you want to continue watching these videos, hit the bell notification for the best content that is coming. I promise you guys don't want to miss this. Do they want to miss this?
Nope, you want to stay in tune.
That's right. So what we're gonna do is just try to bring the best content, guys, and this Corolla is gonna be rolling on its own horsepower very soon. Stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you guys later. Out. Let me try to get this camera.